Hi, I'm Des, professional investor, and today we're going to be talking about non-performing notes. As you may know, there are three types of notes in which we typically invest. There's the performing notes, the non-performing notes, and the reperforming notes. Today, what we're going to talk about are the non-performing notes. So, what is a non-performing note? A non-performing note is a note, in other words, an IOU, where the person who's supposed to make monthly payments is not making payments. Now, we buy those types of mortgage notes because we really do like those types of notes. You may be wondering, why in the world would we pay money to buy a mortgage note where the borrower or the homeowner isn't making their payment? I certainly thought that for a while, but once I understood what it really meant, then I was all in. Because here's the reality of it. If people are not paying their mortgage payment, there's usually a reason why. And if I am their lender, I can reach out to them and I can say, hey, what's going on? And maybe I can help them to start making their payments again. Well, here's the benefit of buying a non-performing note. We're able to get deeper discounts. Think of it this way. If you were buying real estate and it's a house that is ugly, it needs a lot of work, will you pay more or less for that house than the current market value? Obviously, you'll pay less for that property than the current market value. Well, on a non-performing note, we pay a lot less than what the borrower actually owes to the bank when we buy that mortgage from the bank. So, for example, if a person owes $100,000 to the bank and we go in and we want to buy that mortgage note from the lender, and they haven't made a payment for a period of time, we will not pay $100,000 for that note. We'll certainly get a deep discount. 20-30% is not unusual as a discount. Just like buying real estate. If you're buying an ugly house that needs work, to get it at a 20, 30, or even 40% discount is not unusual. Same thing here with notes, guys. And if we can get these people paying again, then we can have something called a reperforming note, which brings us to our next video. We'll talk about that in the next video. Again, I'm Des, professional investor. If you want to know more, go to investbrilliantly.com where you can learn a lot more about this exciting and profitable investment strategy. You can even book a 30-minute free consultation with me on the website. So I look forward to seeing you there.